welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Latoya Princess. Today's video is going to be on this unit that I got from Alipearl. This is so freaking gorgeous. I absolutely love the curl pattern. It's so defined. I'm definitely going to show you how I got this look, how I styled it, but before we do that, let's get into the unboxing. Let's see what goodies they sent us. So today's wig is from Alipearl. It came in this beautiful pink box. It's so gorgeous, and it says love is eternal. This bow is so cute. It's just so girly. Okay, so inside came a baby hair brush, a custom melting band, a nude HD wig cap, as well as a pair of faux eyelashes. And here's some of the specs along the bottom of the packaging of the wig. All right, so this is a 24-inch deep wave 13x4 HD lace wig. It is in 250% density, and the cap is a medium size. As you can see, the inside looks so professional. Like, this wig is gorgeous. Look, it has 3 combs, adjustable straps. Look at the hairline, look at the curl pattern, just perfect. Okay, off camera I wash and condition the wig. This is what it looks like. All right, I put the adjustable straps on, and now we're gonna apply it to our head. Okay, now I'm just trying to figure out the placement of the wig. I did not have to cut any of the lace off. It fit perfectly. I had a medium cap size, and again I put the adjustable straps on. Now we are spraying an even spray along the hairline. This is a wig adhesive, so I am basically tacking the wig down to my head. Okay, after I spray, I use the tail comb to kind of like dry the hair. Like, I push the lace down into my scalp as I dry using a blow dryer, and I do use heat, hot heat, because I feel like that's better than the cold. So yeah, I do each side. And I do each side one by one. As you can see, I didn't like it, already looks like it's growing out of my scalp, and I just started. But wait until we get the melting band and put on. Okay, all right, we're on the last side, and we're just basically doing the same steps. I'm gonna put my melting band on just to secure those edges and further make it look like scalp. Okay, after about 10 minutes, we're gonna take the melting band off and see how that is looking. It is looking amazing. That looks like my natural hair. Okay, now I want to figure out what kind of parting I want. I was kind of going back and forth between a middle part or if I wanted a side part, but the way these curls are so beautiful and popping and detailed, I definitely want a side C part. Like, that's my favorite look, hands down right now. That's my favorite look. So I'm parting using a tail comb, the tail end of the comb, and I'm also using the comb part to do my combing, because some of it is a little bit hard from the spray. So when I start using that part, I'm kind of like trying to comb the product out of it. And also I use that to part out my baby hairs. They plucked the hairline so well that I didn't have to do any plucking whatsoever. Like, this is my favorite wig that I've received, hands down, because of how easy it was for me to style. Like, everything was easy. I didn't have to pluck, I didn't have to cut at all. That's what makes it very easy. So I add a little bit of edge control to where I wanted my baby hairs, because that's what I like to use to lay them. And I'm just using the baby hair brush and the tail comb, the tail end of the brush, to kind of like mold those baby hairs. And yeah, we're gonna do it one more time to the other side, same spot. We're just going to part out where we want the baby hair, and then we're gonna cut the baby hair. We're going to add a little bit of that edge control once again, and then we're going to comb and brush it in place like we did the other side. And I'm just keeping it just that simple. We don't have to do a lot. Like, I know a lot of people aren't fan of baby hair, but you know, from time to time I like that look. I've liked it even when I was younger. I used to do baby hair all the time. I'm that girl that's into, like, you know, baby hair. I just love baby hair and lashes and you know, liner. Like, those are my things. So now I'm taking a hot comb and I'm basically just hot combing just the root. As you can see, that looks so natural. Like, it literally looks like my real hair. So that is it, girl. I know you're like, what? That's it? Yes, girl, that is it. The styling was super duper easy. Right now I'm just doing the same things. Like, I'm just going over it just to see if anything I need to fix, and you know, that's it. But yeah, now we're gonna add some powder because I feel like everything looks good. I just want to add some powder to make it look like scalp a little bit more, and so that you can actually see my parted space. But yeah, I'm pretty much done. That is the end of the tutorial. Stay tuned because I'm gonna give you a look at my hair as well as specs and my first thoughts on this hair. Okay, so I'm back and this is my finished look. It is so gorgeous and this hair is so defined. I'm sorry if you hear the tapping. Someone's AC is dripping and it is hitting my windowsill and it's so loud. There's nothing I could do about that sound, so I do apologize about that now. But yeah, let's get into the specs. So this is a 13x4 HD lace front wig. It is in deep wave. It is 24 inches with 250% density, so it is really full, and my cap size is a medium. And I did use the adjustable straps. I also glued the wig down. Everything came out perfect. Like, this unit is gorgeous, and the curls dry really fast because I went in and I just wet it a little bit because it was a little bit frizzy on top, and my curls are already dry almost. Like, super defined, super pretty. Look at that hairline. Like, look how gorgeous that looks. It looks like it's coming out of my scalp. Like, this wig is fire. I would definitely recommend this unit. I am not getting any tangling, any matting up, any of the snagging, none of that. Like, the hair is so pretty, and look how full she is. She is full, okay? This is lots of hair. She is very full. 100% I'm going to recommend this unit. Like, when I tell you there are no flaws, like, if I could give it a 20 out of 20, I'm gonna give it a 20 out of 20. And you already know I only go up to a 10. But if I could give it a 20 out of 20, I would give it a 20 out of 20 because this hair is fire. It's like butter, like literally like butter. I would definitely recommend it. I'm gonna have the links to everything down in the bottom bar for you, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any questions for me down in the comments and I will get back to you. I thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will speak to you in my next video. Bye, y'all.